Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I changed over all my lights, my 2003 Jeep TJ to LED. And as you can see, we got the Hyper Flash. Now there's numerous ways that people have worked around this by adding resistors, taking the flasher out and cutting the wire. However, I'm going to bypass all that with this Novita. This is LED compatible EP27 that I'm going to stick in my Jeep. If it does not take care of the issue, in the very least, you'll learn how to change your flasher. Now in the Jeep TJ models, some of the older ones, the signal flasher is underneath here. Like I said, mine's a 2003, so my signal light flasher is actually in the console here. So I got a Phillips screwdriver, and underneath, there's one hole right there and one hole right there. And I got to remove the screws. Those are the two screws. No, there's only the two screws. And then pop off the top one. And then you'll see right there, that's where the signal flasher is. So on the steering column, you get a light in there. You can see it's part of the signal turn switch right there. So this is the LED compatible flasher. Plugged her in. Need a moment of truth before we screw it back together. Oh yeah, there we go. No more Hyper Flash. That only takes a couple minutes. Put the covers back on, put the two screws, and you're set. Quick and dirty, easy fix if you want to run LEDs. Once again, Novita, where's the English side? EP27 LED compatible. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.